Hi, so today I'm going to show you all the working of my project weather monitoring system using IoT. So first of all, the components needed for this project are first one Arduino Uno, DHT11 sensor, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and USB connection. So first of all, I would like to explain the connection of this project. So first of all, the connection of Arduino and our DHT11 sensor. The pin 5 of Arduino is connected with the data pin of sensor. The 5-volt pin of the Arduino is connected with the VCC pin of the sensor, hence the sensor getting powered. Now the ground pin of both the sensor and the Arduino are connected. Secondly, the connection between the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and the Arduino. The pin 3 of Arduino, which is the receiving pin, is connected with the TX pin of ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and the pin 4 of Arduino, which is the transmitting pin, is connected with RX pin of Wi-Fi module, and the 3.3 volt pin of Arduino is connected with the VCC pin through which the Wi-Fi module is getting powered up, and the chip enable pin and the ground pin are the chip enable pin and the VCC pin of the Wi-Fi module are connected together and is then connected with the 3.3 volt pin of Arduino, and then lastly the ground pin of ESP8266 is Wi-Fi module, and the ground pin of Arduino is connected together. So I have given the power using the USB cable, hence the Arduino and the LED in the Arduino sensor and the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module is blinking. Now I have also written the sketch so that the Arduino and the DHT11 sensor and Arduino and the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module gets interfaced with each other so that the data is passed. So first of all, I would like to explain the working of the whole project. So at first the DHT11 sensor reads the temperature and humidity data. So the DHT11 sensors usually sends integer data in 40 bits. There is a built-in DHT library for interfacing DHT sensor with Arduino, hence the data is read from the DHT sensor. Now the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module receives and transmits the data to Arduino Uno. The function used here is software serial. As said, the pin 3, that is the receiver pin, and pin 4, that is the transmitting pin, are used here. Pin 3 and pin 4 are used here for the serial communication purpose, and the Arduino is connected to the Wi-Fi module, connected to the Wi-Fi using the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and the data is sent to the ThingSpeak, basically to the cloud here, ThingSpeak API. So this is the data is getting updated in the ThingSpeak API. So as we can see, the temperature coming is temperature that we are getting is 27 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 64. So Same thing is getting updated in the ThingSpeak API. The temperature is 27 and the humidity is 64. So what is actually happening is that the ESP8266 will send the GET request to the ThingSpeak API. It will use the right key, that each channel will have a right key, which I have added in the sketch. So using that, the data will get updated in my particular channel. Hence each field, the T and H field get updated as shown. So basically what is happening is we use the DHT sensor to collect the data on humidity and temperature of a place and send it to the Arduino. The Arduino is programmed to process the data and send it to the cloud using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. The cloud that we use here is ThingSpeak app, ThingSpeak API. So the data is then analyzed. So people from anywhere can just log into ThingSpeak app, ThingSpeak, and can analyze the data of any place. So this is basically mainly used in agriculture sector. So that's it. Thank you.